Space is often described as silent, empty, and cold. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Because out there, beyond what we can see, beyond what we can fully understand, are mysteries so strange, so unsettling, that even our best scientists can't explain them. Tonight, we're diving into some of the most unexplained mysteries in our galaxy. Not theories, not science fiction, real phenomena that we still don't have answers for. And the deeper we go, the more one thing becomes clear. We might not understand the universe nearly as well as we think. Let's start with something that shouldn't exist. Rogue planets. These are planets that don't orbit a star. They drift through the galaxy alone, in complete darkness. Imagine Earth, but instead of orbiting the sun, it's just floating through empty space, frozen, silent, and unseen. Scientists believe there could be billions of these in the Milky Way alone. But here's the mystery. How do so many planets get ejected from their solar systems? What kind of chaos has to happen for entire worlds to be thrown into deep space? Even more unsettling, some scientists believe these rogue planets could still have internal heat, maybe even underground oceans, which raises a chilling question. Could life exist on a planet with no star? Now let's move to something even stranger: fast radio bursts. These are extremely powerful flashes of radio waves coming from deep space. They last only milliseconds, but in that time, they can release more energy than the sun does in days. We first detected them in 2007, and since then, they've been coming from all over the galaxy and even beyond it. Some repeat. Most don't. And we have no clear explanation. Some theories suggest they're caused by magnetars, highly magnetized neutron stars. Others say they could be collapsing stars or black hole activity. And then there are the more unsettling ideas, signals from advanced civilizations. Now, there's no proof of that, but the fact that we even have to consider it shows just how little we understand what's happening out there. Next, let's talk about dark matter. This might be the biggest mystery of all. Everything we can see, planets, stars, galaxies, makes up less than 5% of the universe. The rest, we don't know. About 27% is believed to be dark matter. We can't see it. We can't touch it. We can't detect it directly. But we know it's there, because of how galaxies move. Without dark matter, galaxies should fly apart. But they don't. Something invisible is holding them together. Think about that. Most of the universe is made of something we've never even observed directly. It's like living in a house where most of the structure is completely invisible, but somehow holding everything in place. Now let's go deeper into one of the most terrifying regions of space: black holes. We know they exist. We've even taken images of them. But what happens inside them is still a complete mystery. At the center of a black hole is something called a singularity, a point where gravity becomes infinite and the laws of physics completely break down. Not bend, not stretch, break. We don't know what happens to matter once it crosses the event horizon. Is it destroyed, stored, transported somewhere else? Some theories suggest black holes could be gateways to other parts of the universe, or even other universes entirely. But we have no way of knowing, because once something goes in, it never comes out. Now here's something even more unsettling: the Great Attractor. Somewhere in our region of the universe, there's a massive gravitational force pulling entire galaxies, including ours, toward it. It's located in a region of space we can't see clearly, blocked by the dust and stars of the Milky Way. We know it's there because everything is moving toward it, but we don't know what it is. A massive cluster of galaxies, a superstructure, something even more unknown. Imagine something so powerful, it's pulling entire galaxies across space, and we can't even see it. Let's talk about something closer to home. Tabby's star. This is a star that behaves in a way we've never seen before. Its brightness drops dramatically, in irregular patterns, sometimes by over 20%. Planets can block starlight, but not like this. Nothing we know of explains it fully. Some scientists suggest clouds of dust. Others propose swarms of comets. But none of these explanations completely fit the data. And yes, one of the more famous theories was a megastructure built by an advanced alien civilization. Again, no proof. But the fact that scientists even considered it tells you how strange this star really is. Now here's a mystery that challenges reality itself. The Fermi paradox. The universe is unimaginably large. There are billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars and potentially trillions of planets. Statistically, life should be everywhere. So where is everyone? Why haven't we found any clear evidence of alien civilizations? No signals, no ships, no structures, nothing. This contradiction is known as the Fermi paradox, and it leads to some disturbing possibilities. Maybe intelligent life is incredibly rare. Maybe civilizations destroy themselves before they can explore the galaxy. Or maybe they're out there, watching, and choosing not to reveal themselves. And finally, let's end with something that might be the most unsettling mystery of all. The edge of the observable universe. There is a limit to how far we can see. Not because space ends, but because light hasn't had enough time to reach us. Beyond that boundary could be anything. More galaxies, more structures, or something completely different. We don't know what lies beyond it, and we may never know. So what does all of this mean? It means that, despite everything we've discovered, we are still at the very beginning of understanding the universe. We know just enough to realize how much we don't know. And maybe that's the most powerful idea of all. Because every mystery we've talked about tonight, rogue planets, fast radio bursts, dark matter, black holes, the Great Attractor, Tabby's star, the Fermi paradox, they all point to the same truth. The universe is far stranger than we can imagine, and we are incredibly small within it. But at the same time, we are the part of the universe that is trying to understand itself. And maybe one day we'll find answers. But until then, the galaxy will keep its secrets.